In this video, we shall be looking at multiplicative inverse and identity. What is multiplicative inverse and identity? If a product of two numbers gives 1, each of the numbers is called the multiplicative inverse of the other. E.g., 2 times 1 over 2 will give us 1. So here, 1 over 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 2, and 2 is also the multiplicative inverse of 1 over 2. Also, if I multiply a number by 1, the result will always be itself. E.g., 4 times 1 equals to 4. 1 over 2 times 1 equals to 1 over 2. So 1 here is called the multiplicative identity. Do you understand what inverse and identity means now? So note that 0 has no multiplicative inverse. Why? Because any number multiplied by 0 will always give 0. Example: find the multiplicative inverse of the following: 1, 4, then 2, 2 over 5. Solution: for 4, the multiplicative inverse is what? 1 over 4. Because if you multiply both, it will give you 1. Also for 2 over 5, the inverse, which is multiplicative inverse, is 5 over 2. You multiply 2 over 5 by 5 over 2, you get 1. So the concept of multiplicative inverse and identity can be used to solve problems involving simple equation. Example: solve 4x equals to 2. The coefficient of x is 4. So we find the multiplicative inverse of 4. So the multiplicative inverse of 4 is 1 over 4. So when we multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 4, so we have 4x times 1 over 4 equals to 2 times 1 over 4. So 4x times 1 over 4 will give us 1, which is 4 times 1 over 4 will give us 1. So I have 1 times x, we have x. Then 2 times 1 over 4 will give us 1 over 2. Because if we have 2 here, we have 2 here, 2. So we have 1 over 2. So x is equal to 1 over 2. Example 2. Solve 2y minus 4 equals to 8. Solution: we have 2y minus 4 equals to 8. We have to eliminate minus 4 because it's associated with y, which is the coefficient, which is what we are looking for, unknown. So we eliminate minus 4 first. So to eliminate that, we get the additive inverse of minus 4. If you remember in our previous videos on addition and additive inverse and identity, I taught you how to find the additive inverse of a number. So the additive inverse of minus 4 is what? 4. So we add 4 to both sides. So I have 2y minus 4 plus 4 equals to 8 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 will eliminate itself. So I have 2y is equal to, what is this plus 4? 12. So I have 2y is equal to 12. So here, to solve this further, we have to get the multiplicative inverse of 2 because 2 is the coefficient of y. So the multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1 over 2. So we multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 2. So I have 2y times 1 over 2 equals to 12 times 1 over 2. Here, it means 2y divided by 2. Or we say 2 times 1 over 2 will give us 1. So I have y. 12 times 1 over 2, which is 12 times half, which is 12 over 2. And 12 over 2 is 6. So I have y to be 6.